Workstations configure the PCs with IP address subnet mask and default gateway, no DNS server. This PC, PC10, according this IP address 172.25.10.10. 24 is the subnet mask. The default gateway, I guess, is the first 10.1. No DNS. PC20 20.10, 24, 20.1. PC30 30.10, 24, 30.1. PC40 40.10, 24, 40.1. Basic router and switch configuration. Configure the routers and switches with basic configurations. Okay, on Notepad, do the following. Name show on the diagram, okay, the host name, and at the end, encrypt all passwords, service password encryption. Any banner message of the unauthorized access is prohibited. No IP domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. Enable secret class. Enable secret class. Console MBTY lines to include password Cisco. Line console, password Cisco. No timeout. No exit timeout. Logging synchronous. Login synchronous. The same way with all lines on BTY, line BTY 0 to 15, password Cisco, no exit timeout, login synchronous, exit. And don't forget, on next configurations, don't forget descriptions should be placed on all configured interfaces in routers and switches. Okay, this is the basic configurations. I'm using Notepad because will be the same on all devices. The only difference is the hostname, so that's why I place this at the end. Copy. Go to router R1. Command line interface, enter. Go to global configuration mode, enable configure terminal. Paste. Very good. Review for issues or errors. No issues. Hostname R-1. R-1. Case sensitive. Enter. SW-1. Enter. Enable configure terminal. Global configuration mode, then paste. Okay, very good. Hostname SW-1. Uppercase. Enter. SW-2. Command line interface. Enter. Enable configure terminal. Paste. SW-2. And SW-3. With use, try to access command line interface is blocked. And access from this PC, PC40. And when you use the console port, this light blue line is the console cable, the console connection. Use terminal. Okay, and enter. Enable configure terminal. Paste. And the host name is SW-3 uppercase. case sensitive, and don't forget descriptions on all interfaces. Switches for SW3 configuration, use a console connection for PC40. Okay. In each switch, configure the BTP mode as transparent. Okay. I have the command BTP mode transparent on all switches. Is the same command for the 3 switches, BTP mode transparent. And also create and name all VLANs on each switch. Okay, according to this table, on Notepad, use this VLAN 10, guest, VLAN 20, name, student, 30, faculty, and so on. Okay, according to this table, case sensitive for the names of the VLAN. Be careful and copy this to the 3 switches. SW-1 global configuration mode paste. Okay, very nice. BTP mode transparent. Exit. Okay, SW2 paste. Very nice. PC40 terminal global configuration mode paste. Okay, very good. Now, assign access ports and trunk ports as needed. Okay, for trunks, use native VLAN 500. Create management switch virtual interfaces using VLAN 99 and assign IP addresses from the indicated range. Include configuration for the default gateway. Okay, first assign access ports. Okay, and in this case for PC10 is port 12 on SW-2 interface fast Ethernet 12. A description. Okay, this is placed on VLAN 10. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN 10. Another port 16 on VLAN 20. 16. Description VLAN 20. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. SW-3. Okay, from PC-40 interface range interface fast Ethernet 3. Description VLAN theory. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN theory. And 4. Description VLAN 40. Switch port mode access. Switch port mode access VLAN 40. Okay, and configure trunk ports native VLAN 500. Okay, the trunk ports, for example, on SW-1, the connection to router is trunk, and the connection to switches are trunk. So you can select on SW-1 interface range fast Ethernet 10, fast Ethernet 15, fast Ethernet 19, the 3 ports. Add a description for the 3 description trunk port and switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk native VLAN 500. The native is 500. Okay, this is the native. Okay, and configure on SW-2. On these 3 ports, 4, 7, and 8, interface interface range fast Ethernet 4, fast Ethernet 7 and 8. Okay, interface range 4, 7 and 8. Okay, 4, 7 and 8. Description, trunk port, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk, native VLAN 500. Okay, port consistency restored, and switch port trunk native VLAN 500. Exit. Finally, on SW-3 from PC, exit, interface range, 3 ports, fast Ethernet 7 and 8, comma fast Ethernet 11. Okay, sorry, 7-8 and 7-8 and 11. Description, trunk port, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk, native VLAN 500. Okay, switch port trunk native VLAN 500. Port consistency restored, exit. And create management switch virtual interfaces using VLAN 99. Assign IP addresses from the indicated range and configure the default gateway. Okay, for switches, SW-1, exit, interface on VLAN 99. Okay, 500 is the native, but VLAN 99 is management. So on VLAN 99, interface VLAN 99. Set the description, management, and IP address on this VLAN 172.25.99. The first on the router, and I will use the second for the switch. 172.25.99. 25.99.2. Subnet mask 24. Okay, sorry. 255, 255, 255, 0. No shutdown. Exit. IP default dash gateway. The first IP on the router 99.1. Okay. And go to SW2 interface VLAN 99. Description. Management. IP address 172.25.99-3. 24. Okay, the interface already up, so no shutdown is not necessary. Exit. IP default gateway 172.25.99.1. And finally SW-3 boot from PC40. Interface VLAN 99. Description, management, IP address 72.25.99-234 255.255.0. Exit. IP default gateway 172.25.99.1. In each switch, configure spanning tree for per VLAN rapid spanning tree. Okay, this is the command. I have the notepad, the command, and this is the same command on all devices. So I will copy then paste. Global configuration mode, paste, enter. Very good. paste, enter, and on PC40 to configure SW-3, paste, enter. Configure SW-1 to be the spanning tree root bridge for VLAN 20 with a priority of 20,480. Go to SW-1 spanning tree VLAN 20, only for VLAN 20 with priority 20,480. Very good. Create port aggregation protocol EtherChannel between SW-2 and SW-3 using port channel 5 and interfaces 7 and 8. Use desirable keyword for the EtherChannel. Okay, go to SW-2. This link, so interface range facet 7 and 8. I will shut down to avoid problems. Shut down. Okay, and channel group port channel 5 and use desirable keyword for port aggregation protocol mode desirable. Okay, and exit. Go to SW-3, the same process from PC40, interface range for satellite 7 and 8, shut down, channel group 5 mode desirable, enter, exit. Okay, and then enable on SW-2 the range, interface range 7 and 8, now shut down, and on SW-3 PC40 interface range 7 and 8, now shut down. Okay, wait a moment, wait a minute, exit or end to verify. SW-2 and verify on privileged exec mode. Okay, but wait a minute and use the following command: show EtherChannel summary. Okay, SU is a layer 2 configuration and U in use, so it's very good very well configured. Show running config, and you will see the 7 and 8 configuration. Okay, channel group 5 more desirable, 5 more desirable, and automatically port channel 5, the logical port is on native VLAN 500 and no trunk. Very good. And configure the router port with sub interfaces for router on a stick. Use first usable IP address. Very good. Should be configured on each sub interface as appropriate. Okay, and go to R1. The interface is fast Ethernet 00. Interface fast Ethernet 00. That for the sub interface number should match the VLAN number. Okay, for VLAN 10, I will use sub interface VLAN 10 description. VLAN 10 encapsulation.1Q10 for VLAN 10. Set the IP address 172.25.10.1. Okay, on VLAN 10 is 10 network. The first IP is 1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The next is 20. 20 the subinterface, the description, the encapsulation for VLAN 20, and network is 20.1, the host IP 20.1, and 30 30, 30, 30. Okay, and 40 is admin. Okay, continue with 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, and continue with management. The 99, 99 is management. 99, 99, 99, 99, that one. And finally, the native 500, 500, description, native, encapsulation 500, native. Okay, interface, description, and encapsulation, that one queue, 500 native, no IP address, don't worry, exit. And go to physical interface, facet at 00, no shutdown. Okay, check results. From PC10, ping the default gateway 172.25.10.1, success, and ping PC20 20.10, success, ping to 30.10, success, ping to 40.10, ping to a switch 99.2, success 99.3, success 99.4, success. Then check results. All is configured very well. Connectivity test, close. Now 100%. Okay, use packet tracer. Use packet tracer 731. 731. Okay, thank you very much.